How to delete Instagram account permanently. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the profile page. At the top right corner, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Go to the option Settings and Privacy. Now head towards the option of Account Center. Open it. Now open this option Personal Details. Head towards the option of Account Ownership and Control. Now open this option Deactivation or Deletion. Click on your username. Select the option of Delete Account. Deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently removed. Click on Continue. Now here you have to give a reason why do you want to delete your account. And then click on Continue. Now here you have to enter your password and click on Continue. Confirm permanent account deletion. Click on Delete Account. With that, your account will be deleted. So this is how you can permanently delete your Instagram account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.